Hi, I'm Poonam Navalgund with Intero Real Estate, and I'm really excited to tell you about this amazing home at 3683 Central Parkway in beautiful Dublin, California.
My name is Thuy Tran, and our latest exclusive listing is an N-unit luxurious home with 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and over 2,500 square feet of living space. We're excited to show you this home. Come on, let's take a tour. Thank you for taking a tour of this home, but it's not over yet. We have so much more to show you. This community features a gorgeous clubhouse with billiard room, wine bar, a gym, a beautiful swimming pool, and my very favorite space, a theater room. Of course, there are a lot more open space as well, so you can safely social distancing while enjoying life.
Beyond the amazing amenities here in the Sorrento community, the schools here are phenomenal. So you get to live a life of style and luxury while your children get the top-notch education they deserve. Give me a call. I'd love to give you a tour.